is about to appear. He's whizzing over to whisk you away on a fabulous journey today.
He's coming!
And now he's arrived in the thingamajigger, the thing that he drives. He's a cat and he's oodles of fun with his hairy helpers thing 2 and thing 1. Just start like that. Wherever you're going, wherever you're at, the cat in the hat knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about. He knows a lot about
that. All right, Nick. Name this sound. Moo! That's an easy one. It's a cow. Right. Okay, your turn. Name this sound, Sally. Roar! A lion. Right.
It sounded more like a blue-backed bear to me.
It's the cat. The cat in the hat.
No doubt about that. Can I have a turn?
Of course you can, Cat.
Nick, Sally, name this sound.
That's a hard one. It sounds like it could be a bird. Is it a monkey?
It's a cricket, of course.
I've heard crickets, Cat. They don't sound like that.
They don't?
They sound like this. That's not it either. It's more like... It's really hard to make a noise like a cricket. I wonder how they do it.
Ha-ha! My friend Clarence from Grassy Grove Dell will know how to make a noise like a cricket, 'cause he is a cricket.
Can we go meet Clarence?
You can! Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom! Can Nick and I go to Grassy Grove Dell to find out how to make a cricket noise?
Grassy Grove Dell? Sure you can go. Say a noisy hello to the crickets for me.
We will! Thanks, Mom! We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
I want to play the sound game. Name this sound.
Fish, you're funny.
That's because I'm a clownfish now.
You're not like any clownfish I know. You're funnier. Now buckle up! Flick the jigger, my whizzer! Isn't this fun? Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, the thingamajigger is up and away!
Go, 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 go! On an adventure, we're flying with the cat in the hat today!
In Grassy Grove Dell, the truth will be found. How crickets make a crickety sound.
Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, go, 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 go!
There's Grassy Grove Dell.
I think I hear a cricket. I can't see Clarence anywhere.
Clarence is small and we're still very tall. Press the shrinkamadoodle, Sally.
Look, a bee. I can do a bee noise. Bzzz. Wow, there are lots of insect noises here.
Here comes Clarence.
Wow, he leaps fast. Let's go after him. Come on, Cat.
Oh, isn't this a good time? Clarence, wait up!
Do you see that? In just one leap, his big legs move him so far. How can we ever catch up?
By leaping like a cricket, of course, with go-go jumpers. One for you, and one for me. Watch how it works.
Cat?
Oops. Forgot to set it to cricket.
Cricket!
Clarence!
Cat in the Hat? Oh, it's so nice to see you.
I have to admit, it's nice to be seen. I'd like you to meet my friends Sally and Nick.
Hi!
Oh, nice to meet you.
Didn't you hear us calling?
Oh, sorry I didn't. Leaping through the grass, I get dust in my ears.
Try this.
Oh, wait, that's better.
Your ears are there?
But of course, where are your ears?
On the side of our heads.
What an unusual place for ears. Cat, your friends are funny.
And clever, too. They want to find out how you make your fantastic cricket noise.
Oh, I've never been called fantastic before.
I myself think I'm getting better at it.
Oh, Cat.
Keep practicing.
Can you show us how you do it?
Well, of course I can.
Wow! Nice wings!
Thank you, Nick. Okay, here goes.
Look! His wings are moving. The noise stops when his wings stop. Moving his wings must have something to do with making the noise. Clarence, you listen with your legs. Do you sing with your wings?
Good guessing. Yes, I suppose the secret is in the wings. You don't have wings hidden anywhere, do you?
No, we don't have wings, Clarence.
Well, come closer and take a good look.
Cat, I can't really see what he's doing.
Bigger would be better. A perfect use for my micromaboodle.
What does that do?
Why, it bigifies tiny things, of course.
Wow, look at that. One wing has a scraper on it.
Touch it if you want.
Okay, it feels scratchy.
Right. Now, look closely at the other wing.
The other wing has a row of teeth. And it kind of looks like a comb. Wow! Scraping the comb thing makes the sound. I thought wings were for flying.
For girl crickets, yes. But us boys can also use our wings to call out to friends. Like Emily over there. I'll call her over. I guess I'm just not loud enough.
Allow me.
Emily! Oh, no, Cat. Thanks so much, but she'll be listening for my cricket sound. Oh, I guess I'm just not loud enough.
Maybe we can help you. We are great at being loud.
To be noisier, crickets, I know what to do. I'll call on the help of Thing 1 and Thing 2.
Wow!
Why, yes! The Wingermathinger!
We've got wings, just like a cricket. We can get really noisy now.
Nice work, Things. One, two, three. If you got a wing, make it sing.
Zoom, zoom, zing.
Scrape nice and loud, feel so proud.
Zoom, zoom, out. Girls and boys, let's get noisy and make a cricket sound.
That's it!
Woo! Emily isn't coming over. Let's do it faster and see what happens.
Faster, go, go, go! If you got a wing, make it sing.
Zoom, zoom, zing. Scrape nice and loud, feel so proud. Zoom, zoom, shout. Girls and boys, let's get noisy and make a cricket sound. Woohoo! Clarence, it's up to you now.
It's working!
Hi, Clarence. Long time no see.
Hi, Emily. Thanks for coming over.
Ooh, I had to. That was really noisy.
Oh, well, thanks. Well, I did have a little help from my friends.
They were good at being loud, but your noise was fantastic.
That's what I said.
Well, thank you so much, Nick and Sally, for your help calling Emily.
And thank you for showing us how you make a cricket sound. Bye. See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
We've had lots of fun at Grassy Grove Dell, seeing how crickets make noise so well. For Clarence the cricket, it isn't a bother. He scrapes one wing on top of the other.
Here, this can be the scraper wing. And this can be the scratchy wing. Now let's try calling like a cricket. Okay. I hear you, cricket. Whoa, here I come. Whoa.
Good leaping, Miss Cricket.
Ugh, you are very noisy, Mr. Cricket.
Hey, you two noisy leapers. What a fantastic sound you're making. Where did you learn how to do that?
A fantastic cricket showed us. If you got a wing, make it sing. Zoom, zoom, zing. Scrape nice and loud. Feel so proud. Zoom, zoom, loud.
Today, I have a very hard question for you. Which of these three animals have four noses? Is it a porcupine? Or is it an owl? Or is it a slug? Did you say that the slug has four noses? That's right! Their noses are called tentacles, and slugs use them to smell and see. Did you get it this time? Well, next time I'll stump you for sure.
Time to take a picture with our Snapperama cameras. I'll take the picture. And I'll guess what it is. It looks like a bunch of needles. Oh, it's some kind of animal. A porcupine. You're right. Why is he covered in needles? Those are called quills. They use them for protection. Next time, I'll take the picture. That hat looks great, Sally. Thanks, Nick. It used to have feathers, but I lost them. Did you look in the dress-up trunk? Let's see. No feathers in here, but check out this old baseball cap. Hey, batter, batter, batter. Where else can we find feathers for your hat?
Feathers? I was just taking a nap when I heard someone say feathers.
It's the cat. The cat in the hat. The feathers are for Sally's hat.
These are not the right feathers for that. Feathers for hats need to be snazzy and jazzy and pizzazazazzy. I know. We'll go ask my friend Pirangi the peacock in Feathery Flats for some feathers. He's a bird with the most fabulous feathers you've ever seen.
Maybe we'll get some fabulous feathers for your baseball cap too, Nick. A feathery baseball cap? Awesome! Can we go?
Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom! Oh, Mom! Can Nick and I go with the cat to Feathery Flats to find fabulous feathers to wear in our hats?
Fabulous feathers from Feathery Flats to wear in your hats? Oh, yes. That sure tickles my fancy.
Thanks, Mom! We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
My favorite fabulous feather makes a great pen to write with.
Words just fly onto the page. Speaking of flying, buckle up. Paranjay in Feathery Flats for fabulous feathers to wear in our hats.
Here we go, 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 on an adventure. Go, 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 go!
Welcome to Feathery Flats, home of Paranjay the peacock.
How will we find Paranjay?
Oh, he's easy to spot.
And even easier to hear. That sounds like him now. And hello to you, Nick, Sally. Allow me to introduce my feathery friend, Paranjay the peacock.
I am happy to meet you.
Hello! Hi, Paranjay.
What brings you to Feathery Flats?
We're looking for feathers to wear in our hats.
Well, then you found the right bird. Now, I don't mean to boast, but I have lots of fine feathers.
Lots and lots.
No kidding! Long ones, short ones, even different colored ones. I've never seen so many feathers.
I think Paranjay can spare one or two. Don't you?
Oh, well, I'd be happy to help. Just as soon as I find my friend, Padme.
Who's Padme? Another peacock? Like you?
Oh, no, she is a peahen. A lady peacock.
Oh, I have an idea. Who's for a game of Find the Peahen?
Yeah! Padme! Padme! How will we find her? Maybe peahens look like peacocks. Look for feathers like Paranjay's. Over there! Padme! Is that you?
No, it is me, Paranjay.
Isn't this fun?
Maybe Padme will hear us if we shout louder. Like peacocks. Great idea, Nick.
Let me show you how it's done.
What?
Wow, that was loud. No one can miss that call.
Oh, is that Padme calling back?
Most definitely this way.
Wait, you dropped some feathers. You dropped this.
Oh, that's perfectly normal. My feathers fall out all the time, and I just grow new ones.
Phew. Aren't you hot under all those feathers?
Who, me? I never lose my cool, thanks to my fluffy pin feathers.
Like the ones you dropped. How do teeny-weeny feathers keep you cool?
Well, they let the heat out, but they don't let it back in.
How about pin feathers to wear in our hats?
Pin feathers are great, but they're really too small to wear in our hats, some of which are quite tall.
Oh, I hear Padme calling me.
Look at this feather that dropped from Paranjay's wing. It's very different from a tiny pin feather. Yeah, this feather's straight and strong.
That's because it's for flying. Flight feathers have to be big and strong to do all that lifting.
Feathers like these will look great in our hats.
They do make great hat feathers, but...
They're not very snazzy. Jazzy.
Or pizzazz-a-zazzy. Follow that bird!
Where did he go?
This way, follow me. Hello? What are you waiting for? The sooner we find Padme, the sooner you can have the pick of my feathers.
But we'll get all wet.
Well, not if you're covered in feathers like me.
Wow, you're all dry.
It's another fantastic feathery trick. Water rolls off, it just doesn't stick.
If we had feathers, we could go under the waterfall too. And not get wet.
At times like this, there's just one thing to do. Whistle real loud for thing one and thing two.
We need to get across. But we don't want to get all wet like you.
Feather umbrellas!
Follow me, friends.
Thank you. Your turn.
How about waterproof feathers in our hats? Water falling, la la la,
Padme! I don't get it. Paranchi was easy to find. Why is it so hard to find Padme? Oh! I'm very sorry. I didn't see you there. But I recognize that call. You must be Padme.
Hi.
Oh, goody, you found her.
You're Padme? Those feathers make you very hard to see.
Aren't they fabulous? I want to be a mom one day. If other animals can't see me, they won't come steal my eggs.
Wow! Some fabulous feathers are hard to see, while other fabulous feathers are hard to miss. Like Paranjay's.
You know Puranjay?
We're helping him look for you.
Let's Peacock call to tell him the good news.
Huh? Padme! There you are. I'm so happy to see you. I've been saving something just for you.
Wow!
Don't you just love big show-offs? It's a special Peacock hello.
I can't resist it.
Peacock tail feathers have just one job to do. Make peacocks look fabulous to peahens.
Feathers like that would look great in my hat. And my baseball cap.
I agree. They're definitely jazzy and snazzy.
Do you mind if we take some?
Why, certainly. I'm done with those. Take as many as you want.
Awesome!
Fabulous feathery feathers are fun. Each one does a job that needs to be done. Some feathers are big, some feathers are small. But show-offy feathers are the best of all.
Yay!
Now that's pizzazz-zazz-zazzy.
Thanks for the tail feathers, Paranjay.
And thank you for helping me find Padme.
These will look great in our hats.
Oh, you big show-offs.
Check out my hat. No, check out my hat.
Don't you love fabulous feathers? They're good for so many things.
Like keeping you cool and keeping you dry. And keeping you safe and helping you fly.
As well as looking fabulous.
There's one more thing feathers are great for.
Really? What's that?
Tickling! Welcome to Hat Chat. Today we're going to interview Dr. Twiggles.
Hello!
Those are pretty flowers. But I thought you were a tree doctor.
Oh, I am. Both trees and flowers are types of plants. I take care of them all.
Even this strange-looking tree?
Oh, especially that. But it's not a tree. That's actually a flower.
But it's so huge.
This flower is called a Titan arum. It's one of the largest flowers in the world.
It kinda stinks.
Yep, it has that smell because some kinds of bugs love it. Those bugs follow the smell and help to spread the Titan seeds to help new ones grow.
Thank you for showing us all about this neat plant, Dr. Twiggles.
You're welcome.
When you get hot, you start to sweat. Your forehead gets a little wet. But you won't know, I don't suppose, is how to sweat through their noses. We were hot. Now we're not. We were hot. But now we're not. And what about dogs? When they get hot, do they sweat through their noses? No, they do not. When they've been for a run and spent too long in the sun, they start to pant, cooling down with their tongue. We were hot. Now we're not. We were hot.
down in a different way. Their giant ears fan the heat away. A friend, the hippo, he stays cool by rolling in a muddy pool.
We were hot, hot, hot. Now we're not, not, not. We were hot, hot, hot. But now we're not, not, not.
The Cat in the Hat knows a lot about animals, from the bottom of their toes to the tip of their nose. And there are many different kinds of noses out there. Beaks, snouts, trunks, horns, bills, muzzles. But no matter what they look like, all noses do one important thing: help animals smell good things. And bad. P.U. You can learn a lot more about animals with the Cat in the Hat at pbskids.org. Now stick around, there's more fun next on PBS Kids.